Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm social worker, Sumon Ahmed Oli. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Social Worker Sumon BDTV. How to vent plumbing? Part -2 Dry venting. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 9 Understand dry venting. This is a simple system in which each fixture has its own vent pipe. It is simple to plan and implement, because you won't have to worry about placing different fixtures close enough together or using pipes big enough for multiple fixtures. Each vent is a small, isolated pipe that you can work with separately. However, having a different vent pipe for each fixture will mean that you have a lot of vent pipes running up through your building and out your roof. This uses a lot of unnecessary piping. And you'll be doing more work than you need to. 6. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 10 Create a dry vent by attaching a ventilation pipe to a fixture's drain pipe. Depending on the fixture, the vent pipe can be fairly small but should be positioned within a couple feet of the fixture. Make sure to check your local building codes for specific regulations about sizes and distances for your vent pipe. A common layout is to have a drain pipe run horizontally away from a sink or other fixture for up to 2 feet. Then the drain pipe will join with a vertical pipe. Down from the joint, this vertical pipe acts as a drain for the fixture. Up from the joint, it vents the fixture. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 11 Extend the vent pipe outside the building according to building regulations. Usually, the vent pipe must extend 6 inches above the roof, or 12 inches (30.5 centimeters) away from vertical walls, but double-check your building codes and requirements to make sure. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 12 Repeat the ventilation process with any other fixtures you're installing. Make sure every fixture has a vent pipe associated with it so that your whole plumbing system will run quickly, smoothly, and safely. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 13 5 Vertical ventilation pipes called vent stacks provide air circulation to any part of the plumbing system. Vent stacks can run parallel with waste pipes to ensure proper ventilation in tall buildings. Sub-vents may be branched together to exit one vent stack, allowing for only one hole in the roof for ventilation. Advertisement method 3 of 3, Wet venting. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 14 Understand wet ventilation, where one fixture's vent is another's drain. Under this system, you can install several different fixtures in the same system of pipes, attached at different places. Although this system complicates the layout of your plumbing system, it reduces the total amount of piping you need and can save a lot of space and effort. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 15 Plan the location and layout of your piping. Consider asking a professional plumber to help you with this. Consider the size of piping you'll need for each segment, the distance between fixtures, and the plumbing demands of each fixture. Make sure your plans fit within building codes and regulations, which can be more complicated for wet venting than for dry. An example bathroom L layout is as follows. The sink has a drain pipe 1.5 in diameter, which connects to a vertical vent pipe. The toilet has a 3 inches waste pipe which makes AT or AY with the bottom of the vent pipe, such that the vent pipe goes upwards vertically from the horizontal waste pipe. Between the intersection with the sink's drain pipe and the toilet's waste pipe, the vent pipe is acting as the sink's drain and the toilet's vent, and so must be 2 inches in diameter. Above the intersection with the sink, the vent pipe simply acts as a vent for both fixtures and so can be smaller, 1.5 in diameter. 7. Image titled Vent Plumbing Step 16 Accommodate regulations in wet venting. For example, toilets should be installed downstream of all other fixtures, so that nothing else will vent through the waste pipe. A wet venting pipe can't be reduced in size, the piping should never get smaller as other fixtures tap into it. And all fixtures should be no more than the maximum allowable distance from a vent, even if that means dry venting certain fixtures. See your local building codes for more detailed regulations, and double-check that you accommodate all of them. Run your plans by a professional plumber or someone intimately familiar with these codes if you're unsure about any of the regulations. We'll talk again with next update video, no more today. Allah Hafiz. Social Worker Sumon BDTV.